Hi, welcome to Financial Sigma. Running an online business can be very rewarding, but it can also be challenging, especially when it comes to turning a profit. In this video, we will share 10 tips that can help you maximize profits in your online business. Tip 1. Define your target audience and understand their needs. Before you start selling anything, it's important to know who your target audience is and what they are looking for. Conduct market research to understand your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. This will help you create products or services that appeal to them and solve their problems. To define your target audience, start by identifying the characteristics of your ideal customer. Who are they? What are their interests, goals, and challenges? How do they use your products or services? There are several ways to conduct market research to understand your audience's needs and preferences. Here are a few methods you can try. Surveys. You can use online survey tools, such as Google Forms or SurveyMonkey, to gather feedback from your customers. Interviews. You can conduct one-on-one or group interviews with your customers to get a deeper understanding of their needs and experiences. Focus groups. You can bring together a group of customers to discuss specific topics related to your business. Analytics. You can use tools such as Google Analytics to track the behavior of your website visitors and see what pages they visit, how long they stay, and where they come from. Social media. You can use social media platforms, such as Facebook or Instagram, to engage with your audience and gather insights about their preferences and interests. By understanding your audience's needs, you can create products or services that address their pain points and provide value. You can also tailor your marketing and sales efforts to better resonate with your target audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Tip 2. Set clear and achievable financial goals. Having clear financial goals will help you focus on what matters most and measure your progress. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals for your business. For example, a goal could be to increase your profits by 20% in the next quarter. Here are some tips for setting SMART financial goals for your business. Specific. Be specific about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying I want to increase my profits, say I want to increase my profits by 20% in the next quarter. Measurable. Make sure your goals are measurable, so you can track your progress and know when you have achieved them. For example, instead of saying I want to improve my customer satisfaction, say I want to increase my customer satisfaction score by 10 points in the next year. Achievable. Make sure your goals are achievable, given the resources and constraints of your business. Don't set goals that are too ambitious or unrealistic, as they may discourage you or lead to disappointment. Relevant. Make sure your goals are relevant to your business and aligned with your vision and mission. Don't set goals that are unrelated or disconnected from your core business. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goals. This will give you a sense of urgency and motivate you to take action. Tip 3. Offer high-quality products or services. In order to maximize profits, you need to offer products or services that your customers value. Make sure to invest in quality control and customer service to ensure that your offerings meet the needs and expectations of your audience. Offering high-quality products or services is essential for maximizing profits in your online business. Customers are willing to pay more for products or services that meet their needs and exceed their expectations. On the other hand, poor quality products or services can lead to customer dissatisfaction, negative reviews, and even legal consequences. Here are a few ways to ensure that you are offering high-quality products or services. Invest in research and development. Make sure to invest in the research and development of your products or services, to ensure that they meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. Use high-quality materials and components. Use materials and components that are of high quality and meet industry standards. This will help ensure the durability and performance of your products or services. Tip 4. Build a strong brand. A strong brand helps you stand out from the competition and establishes trust with your customers. Invest in branding efforts, such as creating a professional website, using consistent branding elements, and engaging with your audience on social media. A strong brand is a powerful asset for any business, as it helps you differentiate yourself from the competition and establish a connection with your customers. A strong brand is more than just a logo or a tagline, it's the overall perception that customers have of your business. Here are a few ways to build a strong brand for your online business. Define your brand identity. Define what your brand stands for, what it represents, and what makes it unique. This can include your mission, vision, values, personality, and tone of voice. Create a consistent brand image. Use consistent branding elements, such as logo, color scheme, font, and imagery, to create a cohesive brand image. Make sure to use the same branding elements across all your marketing channels, such as your website, social media, email, and print materials. Tip 5. Optimize your pricing strategy. Pricing your products or services correctly is crucial for maximizing profits. Consider factors such as your costs, the value you offer, and the prices of your competitors when setting your prices. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing models, such as offering discounts or bundles, to find what works best for your business. Pricing your products or services correctly is a key factor in maximizing profits for your online business. There are several factors that you should consider when determining the prices of your products or services. Cost of goods sold, COGS. This refers to the direct costs of producing or acquiring your products or services. COGS includes the cost of materials, labor, and other expenses directly related to the production of your offerings. Value proposition. Your pricing should reflect the value that your products or services provide to your customers. Consider the benefits, features, and uniqueness of your offerings, and how they compare to your competitors. Competitor analysis. Research the prices of similar products or services offered by your competitors. This will give you an idea of the market price range and help you determine the right price for your offerings. Tip 6. Invest in marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising are essential for promoting your products or services and attracting new customers. Choose the marketing channels that are most appropriate for your business and target audience, and allocate a budget for them. Remember to track the results of your marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. Tip 7. Streamline your operations. Efficiency is key to maximizing profits. Look for ways to streamline your operations, such as automating tasks, outsourcing, or implementing new technologies. This will help you save time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Tip 8. Build a loyal customer base. Repeat customers are a valuable asset for any business, as they tend to spend more and refer others to your business. Foster customer loyalty by providing excellent products or services, responding to customer inquiries and complaints promptly, and offering incentives for repeat purchases. Tip 9. Diversify your revenue streams. Don't rely on a single product or service to generate all your profits. Consider adding new products or services to your offering, or finding new ways to monetize your business, such as through subscriptions or partnerships. Diversifying your revenue streams can help you mitigate the risk of relying on a single source of income. Tip 10. Stay up to date with industry trends. Staying informed about industry trends and changes can help you stay ahead of the competition and find new opportunities for growth. Subscribe to industry blogs and newsletters, attend conferences and events, and network with other professionals in your field. I hope these tips help you maximize profits in your online